Hi, hope you all are very good. Today in this video, I'll be sharing with you all the experience I had about my visit to one of the most famous Indian restaurants in the city named Dishoom. I visited their branch at Canary Wharf area, which itself is a vibrant district in the city and is well known for its bustling and dynamic spirit. Dishoom restaurant is a beloved culinary gem that stands as a testament to the vibrant tapestry of flavors that define modern Indian cuisine. This restaurant masterfully captures the essence of a bygone era, infusing it with contemporary energy. From the moment you step through its doors, this restaurant transports you to a nostalgic world with its atmospheric decor and warm, inviting ambience. The menu at Dishoom is a carefully crafted journey through the diverse and rich flavors of Indian cuisine. The commitment to quality ingredients and traditional cooking techniques ensures an unparalleled dining experience that resonates with both authenticity and innovation. I was really intrigued by their mention of chocolate chai in the menu. If you are a chocolate lover like me, then I suggest you try it out cause it's good. For the appetizers here, I opted for the street foods from India, which are really flavorful. For the main course, I had their biryani. The decision to order biryani here wasn't just a choice. It was a heartfelt celebration of my love for this classic dish. Beyond its tasty menu, Dishoom's commitment to hospitality is equally commendable. The attentive and friendly staff, coupled with the restaurant's evocative design, creates an atmosphere that invites customers to linger and savor every moment. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely brunch, a lively dinner with friends, or a cozy date night, Dishoom encapsulates the spirit of shared meals and cultural celebrations, making it a must-visit destination for food enthusiasts living everywhere in the city. As a passionate foodie, I try to explore diverse cuisines and share the joy of indulging in unique and delicious dishes. Join me on my food adventures by subscribing to my channel, where every bite is a new experience. From street foods to luxury dine-ins, let's uncover culinary gems together. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos and let's celebrate the beauty of food, one tasty dish at a time. Don't miss out on the tasty fun. Hit that subscribe button and let's journey into the world of flavors. Let's explore, indulge, and stay informed all in one place. So don't forget to subscribe now to embark on exciting journeys and discover amazing destinations together. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.